Look guys, see where I am? That's a sanitising station, but I'm at HobbyCraft. Decided to come and have a little look as I need some yarn for my project, my crochet along. So I figured I'd give you a little insight into what we've got now. Obviously a lot more empty shelves than we had last time I was here. That's a pretty colour. Actually quite nice, that is. Nice and soft. Women's Institute Premium Acrylic. Lovely colour. It's actually, I don't know if it's coming up true to life actually, because it's more of a dull colour than it looked then. But not much white. We've got this one. They're 3 for 2, but I'm trying to find some decent kind of cotton. I don't want it too thin, but I need some out of breath. It's the stairs and a mask. Not helping. So I want to find some cotton to make it with so it won't go out of shape without giving it away too much what it is. But I've got the little amigurumi ones. I think these might be a bit thin. Yeah, they're 4-ply. And that is too thin for me. That's sport weight across the pond. And we've got this one. They're £3.20. I do have some colours in there. I was making a summer bag and I never finished it. So there, don't know much else. Oh, this is interesting. Here we go. Cotton blend. That might work. But not many colours. Not doing so well. Not the colours I need. Possibly. Nope, not the colours I need there either. So, trying to carry this bag. And hold the phone at the same time. So we've got the Karen, Simply Soft. There's that gold that I bought. Big balls of Aran. This is usually how you find Aran in shops over here. Sort of a tweedy or Aran colours. The mandalas. I have a giveaway for some of those at the moment. I won't go down there at the moment because there's people there. This is all the baby stuff. Just specifically looking for some cotton. I don't think I'm going to find any. When I have a look round without the camera, I might find something. You never know. We've got the James C. Brett Flutterby. Looks a little bit like people have been thumbing through that rather wildly. And the big balls and the lovely chinchilla. Look at that colour. Actually, this is alpine. Alpine, that's how we normally... I have chinchilla and it looks like this. Exactly like that. But they don't have the chinchilla anymore, they've just got the alpine. So it's not really looking like they've got a great deal of yarn on the shelves. Lots of empty ones. Need restocking. It's all the Christmas stuff. Look at that. Wow. That's an amigurumi and a half, isn't it? Whoa. So I was interestingly talking to one of my suppliers, and if you have a yarn store, to show yarn, they quite often make you garments and give them to you. It's quite interesting. Everyday DK. See, that would be perfect. I'd have to line it if I did it in that. Which, pretty colours though. Some nice colours in. But yeah, I definitely have to line it if I was to do it in that. So where's the cotton again? Let's have a look. Crochet kits. Make a snowman. Just so many empty shelves, can't believe it. Okay, let's have a look what we got. So this is probably what I'll fall back on, but I will have to maybe line my project if I do that. Oh, what we got down here? This is silky, so that looks like it might be cottonish. No, it doesn't appear to be. Wow, it's soft and cuddly in 100 gram. 3 for 2, and they are, how much? £3.70. See, soft and cuddly is normally a 50 gram ball. Whoa, landslide. But that one's 100 gram. Oh, I can't get it. I'll put it up there. There we go. Overstocked the shelf. Well, and so many empty spaces, and yet the colours they have got are overstocked. So yeah, I wonder wonder what to make it into. My bag. I'll have to have a good look along here at the cotton section, see if I can find colours. I don't think I can find the colours I need. I can't tell you what they are, so it just might give it away, and it is a surprise. So we've got some cotton DK. It's a pretty thin DK, but definitely not the colours I need. It is annoying. So maybe this isn't very soft, I know, but keep its shape. Oh well, I'll figure it out. It's either that or try and make it a certain size and line it. So what else we got here? This looks nice. What's this? Oh, it's not very soft though. Hayfield bonus is pretty rough. Again, more cottons, but not the colours that I need, unfortunately. I love that purple. I say that every time I come here. This is the one that I had last year and made, oopsie, a few Christmas presents with. I think this might be a new colour though, this particular one, with the purple. It was all reds last year. That was that one actually that I made it with last time. So yeah, lots of new ones. Let's have a little looky up here. Just normal bog standard colours. So what's this made out of? £1.70. Bonbon. Oh, Saskia Carcass. Not used that before. Not used that one. As you can tell by the way I pronounce it, probably. That's a pretty colour. I think this is in the wrong place. This is where the James C. Brett marble should be. Lots of patterns. There's all the marbles down here. Beautiful though, I like that one. That's lovely. So there. What else? This aisle now. Because there were people down here before, so I didn't want to come down there. I think it was this one. So we got baby yarn, but that would be definitely too soft and squishy. No, wrong colours really. So I don't hold out an awful lot of hope of getting what I'm after. Just have to align it in the end. What's this? Return of the macrame yarn. Obviously very sturdy, but not the colours I need. This is the normal soft and cuddly, I believe, with some sparkle yarn. Very Christmassy. So really, that's all we got. Very nice this though. I've made a blanket with this, and I do need to do that tutorial, I know. And then we've got over here the fluffy Serdar Snugglies, and marbles for baby. Gary's juggling. Thanks, Gaz. Can't take him anywhere, you know. Can't take him anywhere. Feels like butter now. That might. You're going to do it again. Over his son on my head. I call it.
Hello.
See?
Hello.
I caught that, you know. It's like a double act. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get off and have a good look and see what I can find. You never know, I might find some yarn that I'm looking for. And if not, well, I'll have to line it, won't I? So, anyway, join me on the next one and you'll see what made it into my basket. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.